The grant for the arts has been absolutely transformational for Mid Wales Opera. Just over a year ago we lost our Arts Council Wales funding, and we fully expected this current tour that we're out on the road with now, Pagliacci, to be our final production and that we would be winding the company down.
Do you feel good?
This has been a lifeline for us. It's enabled us to restructure our business model, rewrite our business plans, really secure our future, looking ahead, giving us some breathing space to give Mid Wales Opera a life. And it was also given a real positive effect on other sponsors, donors, the general public in our appeal for finances to help us, in that we have a future. We're an ongoing company now. Our feedback on this tour has been phenomenal. To say they are vocal at the end of the performance is an understatement, but it's been more than that. We've been able to go out on stage and announce at every performance that thanks to the grant, we are continuing, and the response from the public has been extraordinarily generous in our bucket collections. We've had so many people sign up to become friends, patrons. People feel that they're investing in the future of the arts in Wales, and that is critical, and without this money it wouldn't be happening.
O'n I wrth y modd I glywed fy nhw eisiau fi ganu neta I gael canu yn Nghymru. Mae'n hynod o bwysig I ni ddod ag opera i'r cymunedau lleol a'r cymunedau sydd ar draws y wlad I gyd, ddim yn unig yn De Cymru.
When we first heard of our funding cut from Arts Council Wales, the atmosphere in the company was devastating. We had tremendous support from the arts community. However, that doesn't take away the blow that was dealt to us, one that we thought was mortal. And really, for the first 7-8 months, we struggled to find a way through. We were planning a closure, we were planning on redundancies, simultaneously throwing out appeals for future funds. When we first heard news of this grant, it was the little chink in the door, a little bit of light coming through, and on that we've built our appeals, built our fundraising, and the door is now getting wider and wider as we look forward to a future performing live theatre and opera across Wales.